Hello again! If you're new here, my name is Jacqie. Spelled with a Q, pronounced like it's spelled with a K. What can I say? I'm a weird one. Alright, today's video, the lighting in here kind of stinks, but I have both all my lights on, so it is what it is, I guess. Today's video is going to be a tutorial using the LaYaDo. Oh my god, I don't know what the heck is wrong with me today. Curling wand, and I'm going to be using this one. It goes from this to super skinny. So yeah, and of course this. I have me a hair clip. So let's get into that. We're gonna play with this today. And I'm going to turn this on. Watch this. Okay, 360, 70, 80. Dude. Look how fast that goes. Isn't that nuts? Oh my gosh, it'll be to 380 in no time. Crazy. Okay, so while that does that, I'm going to... Okay, I'm not a professional hairstylist, so what I do with my hair works for me because I'm lazy, and what you do for your hair might work for you because you probably are not as lazy about it as I am. But I basically just take this section, I just grab a bunch of it, twist this up, take a hair clip, clip it out of my way, so then I can start down here at the bottom. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to put on the glove because I don't want to burn my fingers. Look at it, it's already at 380. Hey. Alright, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to get a little section of my hair and I'm going to twist it away from my face. I'm going to hold it for a few seconds and then let it drop. Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Yes, you do. This little guy right here. I keep getting caught on my sink. Another reason I can't wait to move. There we go. Yay! Alright, grab another section. I don't grab any specific size sections like a real hair stylist does. I just grab whatever I feel like grabbing and just do it. And I don't know what it is with this glove, but I can never judge where the end of my hair is. You see the smoke, I guess you could call it, coming from the... Oh, and you continue to do that all the way around your head. So I'm going to continue that all the way around my head, and then we will drop another layer and yeah, continue with that. Oh my goodness. This really is easy to use. I just can never get a good idea of where the end of my hair is. Ooh, yeah. I like it. Be very careful though, please, because these are very, very hot. How you doing? I'm gonna have to change my battery during this. Everybody hates me. All right, I'm gonna switch this to the other hand because now we're getting over here and I don't want to burn any of my fingers on this hand. Oh, so frustrating. Because, well, I don't know, I'm right-handed, but for some reason, I always have a difficult time doing this side of... I have a hard time wrapping that side. It's weird. Hey, how about we don't burn? Ah, good times, good times. Can't wait for my new place. This happens every time. I can't feel where the end is. Oh, we don't want you in the sink. No, no. I struggle. This is some real people stuff, you know? That real people who actually do their own hair at home and aren't professionals. That's what you get here on my channel. People who actually do it themselves and aren't professionals. 'Cause everyone can do it. I'm sure you see the mess on my dryer where we keep all our shampoo, conditioners, and garbage cans so the dog doesn't get into the garbage can. Okay. And this little itty bitty. Boo! Yeah! Alright. So, there is the so far. Now, we bring down some more. Need to redo my nails the proper way. Just haven't had time. Gotta go to my dad's today. That's basically what I'm doing. Is just getting ready to go to my dad's house. Okay. You know what? I have learned that on this side, I'm pretty good at not... Now that I say this, I probably will, but I'm pretty good at grabbing hair and not burning my fingers when I do this. Ow! And then I burn my hand just like I said. I told you that was going to happen. It's okay. Just keep on trucking until all of your hair is curled. And then once all my hair is curled, I will come back and I will show you, and then we will brush it out. So I will be right back when my whole head is done being curled. Well, since we are coming towards the end of this, I figured I'd turn the camera back on so you can watch me work my magic the last few curls. Yeah, I had just a question that just popped in my head. How many of you actually properly section off your hair when you do stuff like this? Like, do you really like 4 little sections? 2 on each side? Oh, come on. You know what I mean? Like they do in the, you know, the professional tutorials. I don't do that ever. I do not have the patience to section my hair off. I section bottom, I section out the bottom, clip the rest up on top of my head, and then, this is going well, and then, come on! I just take a little by little down. Oh Lord. Little by little down, and then once I get like down to where I am now, I will just like take my hair, flop it over, curl, and then bring more back over like I'm about to right now. Like that. Curl that, then add more, curl that. Like, that's how I do my hair. Because your girl ain't got patience and 500 million clips to be clipping everything back. By the way, I am wearing the glove on this hand because I did burn my hand like 3 times. Yeah, so wear the heat glove, because let me tell you, it don't feel good. Like in the same spot too. It was annoying. I was like, what are you doing? Didn't feel good, so. And I always curl it away from my face. Some people do back and forth, away from their face, towards their face, away from, I don't do that, because then I would have to remember what I just did. Did I just do away from my face or towards my face? And Lord knows. See, I don't know if you can see. Can you see? Right in here is all red. Yeah, I burned myself right there. That's so Jacqie. All right, now we do the last few pieces. And then I get to figure out what I want to do. Do I want to run my fingers through it? Do I want to hairspray it? I want to just, I'll probably just run my fingers through it if anything. I really love these curls. I wish my hair was curly like this in real life. I mean, it could be if I got a perm, but I've done that before. I didn't hate it, I just didn't take care of it the way you were supposed to. I was a teenager. I was like, I want curly hair. Let's get a perm. Okay, my hair's curly, great. Let's brush it. You're not supposed to brush it. For those of you who don't know, you're not supposed to brush through a perm. That makes the curls not last as long. See, I want my hair to be like this in real life. I have to look at the back. How's the back look to you guys? Does it look okay? Let's see. Oh, okay, it's all right. This one's gonna bug me. Oh boy. Oh yeah. We're in for a burn. Nope, nope, no burns here. Can we just not get it up far enough? I think I'm gonna run my fingers through it. That's what I think. Okay. There is that. Oh, this one right here. My, this is really hard to do. Sideburn thingies, they are so short. Like, good luck getting those to curl without burning your face like I just did. Ow! Or your finger. These are very dangerous. That's why you always should use the glove. But I can't get a grip. Jacqie, get a grip. Ow. Hey, nobody said I was a professional. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, so I think, do I dare, guys? Do I dare? Should I? I really want to. All right, I'm gonna put my head upside down and run my fingers through my hair. Did I want to do that? Oh, I don't think I should have done that, y'all. Holy moly. Okay. Okay. Wow. Hey, if you have fine hair, this is the way to go. All right, I need to use a comb. I'm using a wide tooth comb because there are so many knots, and I'm not trying to rip my hair out of my head. Okay? Okay. Okay. It's great. Oh, I wish I had some stuff that I packed away. But I guess what I can do is take... Is there anything left in here? Oh. I'm gonna see how much of this dry conditioner I can get out of this Aussie Sleek Under Warrior dry conditioner. Spray it in my hand and just kind of try to tame what I can. Tame what you can, like that. See, that's not so bad. If I had my like pixie play from Garnier, I would have put that through to kind of tame some of the craziness. Wow, this is really curly, guys. I kind of like it. I wish my hair was like this all the time. I wish I could just wake up and be like, ta-da, look at me. But guess what? That don't work. All right. I am losing so much hair from doing this. It is all over my shirt. But that's okay. Sure glad it's, well, for you it's a Tuesday, but for me, it's Friday. All right. So, that, everyone, is a tutorial using this one, right here, this little wand. This is a LaYaDo wand. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I hope to see you for future videos. Let me know what you might want to see next. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!